Assalamu alaikum nursery class. Very good evening to you. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine. And this video lecture is related to GK book World Around Me. Come and let's meet some vegetable. Here is some vegetable for you. Okay. So you have to learn all these names. Do you like garden? So come and let's see some vegetables in this garden. Which vegetables are here? The first one is cabbage. Okay, and next one is tomatoes color is red. Tomato. Carrot. Here is carrot and its color is red. You also identify the color of vegetables. Cauliflower. This is cauliflower. Read it with me. Cauliflower. And here is peppers. This one is peppers. And next is turnip. This one is turnip. Come and read it with me. Turnip. Spinach. Okay, this one is spinach. Here is one more vegetable for you. Radish. Potatoes. This is potatoes. Potatoes color is brown. And next is peas. Which is this one? Pea. And its color is green. Next is onion. Here is onion. Next one is garlic. This one is garlic. Read it with me. Cucumber. Here is vegetable for you. Cucumber. Corn. You like to eat corn? This called corn. Cabbage, tomatoes, carrot, cauliflower, peppers, turnip, spinach, radish. So now come on your book page number 3030. Here you can see here are some vegetables are given. So you have to write the first letter of these vegetable. Potato. You have to write P. Cabbage, cabbage, or onion. For French beans, lady finger, radish, cucumber, carrot, peas, capsicum, and spinach. So you have to write it. Come and see one more page is for you. 3131. You have to color these vegetable according to specific color. If radish, so you have to do white color. If here is carrot, so you have to do red color. So color it. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.